Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, if you have turned on guided access on some apps on your Apple device but it is stuck on guided access and the triple click is also not working to end the guided access on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you end the guided access if the triple click is not working to end the guided access. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, as you can see this, if you turn on guided access, then you can turn it off by triple clicking the side button and after entering the passcode. So guys, as you can see this, you can easily end it and you can also resume it. So guys, if it is stuck on guided access and the triple click is also not working, all you have to do is that simply force restart your device. So guys, for that you have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and after this guided access will be ended if the triple click is not working. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.